Hi, I'm Chris Munchler, VCDX257 with VirtualElephant.com, and in this video, I'm going to review my latest office remodel and ultimate desk setup for 2023. Let's get started. Hey there everyone, welcome back to my channel. I've been looking forward to this moment for a while now, and it's time to reveal my brand new office and desk setup for 2023. Trust me, it's more than just a desk setup. It's a meticulously curated workspace that fuels my creativity, maximizes my productivity, and offers an inviting environment for working those long hours. I'm going to show you how I went from this to this. Let's start with the back wall here, which serves as the primary backdrop to my workspace. This is where the first stroke of my workspace transformation began. I've opted for a midnight blue paint for the entire room, which creates a calming yet stimulating atmosphere. The deep blue tones instill a sense of tranquility that's really essential for those hours when I'm diving deep into my work. Now this is where things get interesting. Look closely at the focus wall right behind my desk. See how the lines, textures, and patterns play out? It adds an abstract, tech-forward element to the setup, and it's meant to reflect the integration of technology and design in my daily work. Now let's talk about the lights. The addition of the Govee studio lights along the bottom, projecting upwards, isn't just for illuminating the wall. These lights are designed to enhance and highlight the design on the wall. The interplay of the light and shadow gives the design depth and dimension, especially in the evening hours. It's not just about lighting up a room, it's about creating an atmosphere, a mood that complements the work that I do here. Together, the midnight blue paint, the MDF board design, and the Govee studio lights creates a fusion of tranquility and creativity. It's a backdrop that inspires just as much as it soothes. Now let's move to the heart of my workspace, the desk itself. This is a solid butcher block countertop that I purchased from Home Depot. It measures 72 by 30 inches, and it provides ample space for all of my hardware and for me to spread out. It's been sealed to accentuate the natural grains in the wood, which really adds to a warm and organic touch to the overall aesthetic. Now my two 34-inch LG ultra-wide monitors are mounted directly to the wall, above the dual monitor stand from Autonomous AI. As you can see, one is in landscape mode and the other in portrait, to maximize the use of the 3440 by 1440 screen resolution. And while the Autonomous AI dual monitor stand is not bearing the weight of my monitors, it serves as an additional storage space and a nice visual element in its own right. Under the hood, I have an Intel i7 2600 desktop PC with 32 gigabytes of RAM and an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050 Ti powering this setup. And although it's older, it's been rock solid for the last few years, but I am planning on upgrading this soon to a top-of-the-line gaming PC, optimized for both gaming and video editing. The desk surface is adorned with an extra-large desktop mat, and I'm using the Logitech G910 keyboard paired with a G502X mouse for precise input. You can also see my Stream Deck peripheral, which I absolutely love. It allows me to customize common tasks while I'm recording, enhancing my efficiency. For recording, I rely on these two Logitech G922 Pro webcams, and my voice is captured by this HyperX Quadcast X microphone, ensuring high-quality audio for my streams and video meetings. Lastly, I've got my 11-inch iPad Pro, which comes in handy for digital whiteboarding during my workshops, and of course my latest workhorse, the Apple MacBook M1 Pro with 32 gigabytes of RAM. It's a powerhouse that handles everything from video editing to high-end development tasks with ease. And that's the rundown of my desk setup. Each piece is carefully chosen not just for its functionality, but for how it fits into the overall scheme of things. It's a perfect mix of tech and design, efficiency, and aesthetics. So there you have it, my ultimate 2023 office and desk setup. I'm pleased with how everything turned out, from the ambient lighting by Govee to the Mount Dog, softboxes on either side of the desk, from the desk itself and the way that it fits everything. I love the aesthetic and the way that everything feels and looks while I'm working here. I love the monitor setup and the way that it allows me to actually be able to work for many hours each day. And everything has just turned out wonderful. Now, like any good setup, it's never done. I've got a list of things I still want to do, but until next time, please make sure you smash that subscribe button, like and comment below. Let me know what you like about this office setup. Let me know if it inspires you for your own. Feel free to share pictures and videos with me. Have a great day.